As Russia is still trying to conduct some offensive, their losses are staggering, trying to push through Ukraine's defensive lines with sheer numbers of armored vehicles. But instead, these are turned into losses, as seen with this chaotic attack, including 2 tanks and 6 armored fighting vehicles. As previous losses can already be seen on the battlefield, an armored vehicle has hit a mine, as another tank and armored vehicle has made it past, as the leading tank has demining equipment, but the remaining vehicles are getting stuck behind. As the second tank hits a mine, Ukraine's artillery is also firing on the position. As the smoke from mines going off makes it hard to know what equipment is running over what mine, but it seems 3 armored vehicles and a tank have gotten immobilized behind. As some of the armored vehicles flee back. The tank and armored vehicle that kept on going alone seems only to have the tank left, which after a while gets hit by an anti-tank guided missile, destroying the tank, resulting in at least 2 tanks and 3 armored fighting vehicles getting damaged or destroyed in the attack, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.